If you don't have a portfolio, but you still need to get clients, on this video, we're going to talk about the steps you need to take. Stay tuned. Hey everybody, what's up? Welcome back to Flux. My name is Ron Segal. We're going to talk about freelance today. So a lot of designers don't have a portfolio up. And if you don't have a portfolio up, that's basically there's probably one of two reasons that's happening. One, you've got some works, but you're just like, you're not sure how to design your portfolio. You're not sure about the platform. You never got to it. If that's the case, there's just no excuse. Look, there's so many templates today, platforms, free stuff, paid stuff. And even though if you've been watching my channel, I always talk about, Webflow and doing custom stuff. But come on, if you don't have anything, let not Webflow, the fact that you don't know Webflow or you don't know development, be an excuse. Just go and do something with a template. You can always improve it later on. So just no excuses. Go and do something. If you don't have works, that's where you have to actually do some work before you can put it in a portfolio, right? If you don't have a work, that's where you need to focus on. You need to do some work. And that work can be for yourself, for pro bono. What I would do today, there's a lot of ways to approach this, right? You want to demonstrate that you can solve problems using design. One way to do this is you can go into websites that would give you kind of fake client briefs, and we'll link a few of them in the description below. That kind of gives you the experience of working on a real brief and not just doing kind of a Spotify redesign, which is, I feel like it doesn't really demonstrate how you would solve a problem from scratch, right? So one thing is you can go and do these kind of demos, projects for fake clients. That being said, if I would have to do it today, I would probably not just make a fake project. I would actually try to help someone already with working. And even if they don't pay me, even if this is pro bono, I would frame it as if I want to help you. I believe in you. I'm excited about what you're doing right now. So that can be a local business where you're working that's struggling right now because of, it's 2020, everybody's struggling. That could be a nonprofit that you look up to and you can tell them, hey, I'm looking to volunteer. I'm looking to do some project and help you by doing this project for you. Or you can just do something and then gift it for somebody. But I feel like by doing this for an actual client, you would not only benefit from working on a real problem, but you also get this relationship that's built up by actually showing people that you can do something without taking their money. Those people might either hire you later on or maybe recommend you, oh, check out this great designer. He did this for me for free, and not for free in terms of he's cheap or he's willing to work for free, but just because he's passionate and he chose to do it for free. There's few different kinds of free. There's free where your clients doesn't want to pay you. That's because of them and they don't value design. And there's free because you're passionate and you want to do something for other people. And that's why you're not charging them. This is your decision versus their decision. And if you do that kind of free work, I think you can get design experience and build a relationship and improve the world by helping businesses with your skills. So I think that's the fantastic way. Do 1, 2, 3. You don't need more than 1, 2, 3, 4 max. And then you can put up your portfolio and then you're set up to finding clients, charging for it, and kickstarting your freelance career. If you'd like to know more, we do have a full-on kind of free intro to freelancing workshop here on YouTube. That'll be linked below or here somewhere. You can check this out to learn more about freelancing, and we'll catch you on the next video. Bye-bye.